if there are two double bonds, in the organic compound, the name ends with diene. If there are three double bonds, the name ends with triene. So if there are two double bonds in the organic compound, the suffix n ends with diene. If there are three double bonds, it ends with triene. In the case of triple bonds also, the same way we have to name this. If there are two triple bonds, it ends with diene. That means diene. If it is three triple bond, it will be triene. That is triene. So if there are two double bonds or two triple bonds or three double bonds or three triple bonds, the name ends like this: diene, triene. diene, triene. In this case, diene, triene. So let us take one example. If this is the compound, first of all, let us see the longest chain. So let us number the parent chain from left to right, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another possibility is it is from right to left, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the longest chain contains 5 carbon atoms and it contains two double bonds. Two double bonds are there, so it will be a diene. So let us name this compound. So first of all, we have to see any prefixes are there. Then comes the word root. Then comes the suffix. So here there is no prefix. The word root will be pent. In this case, if it is a diene, we have to add a to the word root. So it will be penta. Then comes the position. So if it is from left to right, the numbers are, the locants for the multiple bonds are 2 and 4. So second position double bond, fourth position double bond. Another set of locants also are seen here. If it is from right to left, the numbering is from right to left. We can see the first carbon has the multiple bond. So the locants are 1, then comes 3. So the third carbon atom has a multiple bond. So it will be 1, 3. So the locants are 2, 4 and 1, 3. So comparing these two locants, we know that 1, 3. This set of locants are the correct one. So it will be 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. Both the positions are ene. So it is a diene. So penta 1,3 diene. Penta 1,3 diene is the IUPAC name of this compound. Here one additional point is to be noted. We have to add a to the word root. If it is a diene or triene, or in the case of viene also, we have to add a to the word root. So the name is penta 1,3 di. It's a di. It contains two double bonds and the double bonds are at the first position and the third position. So two possibilities are there. We have to check all the possibilities. In the first possibility, second and fourth positions are having the double bond. In the second possibility, first and third positions are having the double bond. So this is a lowest set of locants. So we need to consider this. and 1,3 is the correct set of locants. So the name is penta 1,3 diene. So this is the IUPAC name of this compound. So the fifth rule is if the parent chain contains both ENE and YNE. So a double bond or triple bond, double bond and triple bond. If the parent chain contains both ENE and YNE, preference should be given to ENE. So that is the rule. So if the parent chain contains a double bond and a triple bond, the double bonded carbon should get the preference. So we can try to an example. So if this is the compound, it contains a triple bond and a double bond. So we have to apply this rule. So before that, we have to number this compound. Let us find the parent chain. So if we are numbering from left to right, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the parent chain contains 5 carbon atoms. If it is from right to left, that is also another possibility, that also contains 5 carbon atoms. Let us give the numbers to the multiple bonds. If it is from left to right, 1 will be a YNE and 4 will be an ENE. So first carbon is connected to the triple bond. So first position, that is a triple bonded carbon atom, and the fourth carbon atom is a double bonded carbon atom. So this is the first possibility. So if you are numbering from right to left, the possibility is the first carbon has the double bond. So first position an ENE. Then comes the fourth position as YNE. So these are the two possibilities. So according to this rule, preference should be given to ENE. So numbering from right to left is the correct way. That is, the first position should be an ENE and fourth position should be a YNE. So this is the wrong way. So this is the right way of numbering. So from right to left, that is the correct way of numbering. So let us name this compound. There is no prefix. We have to start with the word root, that is pent. It is pent. Then comes ENE. ENE has the preference, that is in the first position. So it is 1 EN. We cannot end with E since the other term is also there. So we have to write up to EN. Then the fourth position, that is the fourth position is YNE. The fourth position is YNE. So there is an ENE and YNE. Preference should be given to ENE, and we have to write EN only, not ENE. Then write fourth position, that is 4 YNE. So the name of this compound is pent 1 EN 4 YNE. So this is the IUPAC name of this particular compound.